The watch in the following video is a Seiko S800-0010. Please visit www.wristsushi.com. Hi everyone, this is a quick video I'm doing for the wristsushi.com competition we are holding this July. I thought I'll do a quick take on the common problem we're having, quite a few of us are having these days. We got a nice 90s to 2000s Seiko diver, cheap, like for 70 euros off the internet. And what you're gonna notice is these little rings around the pushers are just falling off. And I thought about it, what to replace them with. It's maybe you could use paint, maybe you could use like heat shrink tubing, but I thought this wouldn't be quite satisfactory. And then I got an idea and went on Amazon and bought these ligature ties. These are rubber rings to put around your dentures. No, not dentures, what's the word? Braces, around the braces. You can get them quite cheap, like for 5 euros a bag of 1,000 pieces. They come in all colors, so you can have hot pink on your diver, I don't know, or maybe this nice teal color, that would match. But I'm going to make them black today, so it's quite fiddly. You have to take the ring off this, of course, so this can be done by hand or any way you like. 4. And then you need to get them on these pushers. And you might have noticed the rings are very, very small. You can't really push them over that without any tools. So I got this pincer. You can use anything you want. You might even get away with this, but I'll take what I have, and it'd be nice to have reverse pincers, but I'll just push them over the tip and widen them, and I'll try to hold it with one finger open, get my watch and put the pincers around, and then you just need to slide it on without breaking anything or scratching up your watch. So it's a cinch, really. On there. Alright. That's the first one. Let's try another one, and I think you get the idea. I hope my head is not too much in the shot. Oh, I'll have enough of those. Next. And just so you know, it's freaking hot here, and I had to turn off my ventilator because it was interfering with the camera and making sounds you could hear. So 2 on. Next, spread with your finger, hold it, push it over, and it's on. And the last one, I lost it somewhere, so I'll just take another one. Put it on, spread, and on it goes. So that's a nice and easy fix, just under 5 minutes. Hope you find this interesting or helpful or whatever. And I'm signing off. This was Mr. Jones for wristsushi.com. Have a nice day. Okay, so it turns out my head was in the shot all the time and you couldn't see a thing. Also, of course, it's pliers, not pincers. And I even looked up that these are called tweezers. And I knew that, but you know, whatever, camera shyness. So I'll try and do a close-up for you guys and not put my head in the shot this time. So you have the watch, you have the rubber ring, and again put this on, force it open. I guess there are better pliers for that, whatever. And then you stretch it over and just put it on. And I took a hot pink, the one this time, because you know it's the light button. I'm gonna remember which one to push.